choke to clear out.
Now if you're looking for the fuse for your Hyundai Tucson for your power outlet, you're just going to come here where your left knee is, pull this open, and we're going to come up into the fuse box here and the power outlet. So you're going to go all the way farthest to the right, and you're going to go up 1, there's an empty spot, 2, 3, 4, right there. It's a 15 amp fuse, sorry. Yep, it's a 20 amp fuse, my apologies. So you're going to come up to that 4th one up and counting the empty space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's where your power outlet fuse is. You're going to try to replace that one. You could swap it up with a different one just to see if that fixes the issue. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.